Tim the Timid Tiger. A short moral story. In the heart of the jungle lived a young tiger named Tim. Unlike the other tigers, Tim was quiet, shy, and afraid of almost everything: loud noises, tall trees, even butterflies. The other animals often laughed. "You're a tiger. You should be brave," they'd tease. Tim would lower his head and walk away quietly. One day, a strong wind swept through the jungle, knocking over nests and blocking paths with fallen branches. A baby monkey was trapped in a tree, crying for help. All the big animals panicked, but no one dared to climb. Tim looked up at the scared little monkey. His heart raced, but something inside him whispered, "You can do it." Trembling, Tim stepped forward. With shaky paws, he climbed the tree slowly, branch by branch. The other animals watched in silence. Tim reached the monkey and gently carried him down. Everyone gasped, and then cheered. From that day on, Tim walked a little taller. He realized bravery wasn't about being loud or fierce, it was about doing what's right, even when you're scared. Moral: courage isn't the absence of fear, it's doing the right thing even when you're afraid. Thank you for watching.